just in from our friends at 49 and Market, Vintage Artistry Everyday Collection, and there are several things that coordinate with that, and we just absolutely love it. To begin with, we're going to have a 12 by 12 collection of papers and laser cuts, as well as a 6 by 6. Now, the difference, other than size, is that in the 12 by 12, you're going to get 32 laser cut embellishments. In the 6 by 6, you're going to cut them out yourself, but you do get 63 of them. Okay, let's start with the 12 by 12. And what I love about 49 and Market is that they really utilize every square inch of the space. So you can see all of the artwork on the front, but also on the back of that cover sheet, there is another paper, and that's really nice. And there's also a border at the bottom. Just cut that off, and you've got your 12 by 12 sheet. Now, they really wanted to have some artwork that was a kind of neutral and soft that would work with many themes, many seasons, many reasons. There's the back side, and again, you can see that border. Here is another just beautiful artwork. The back side, as you can see, very neutral. And here we have another. And on the back, we've got some distressed dots. And then butterflies and looks like papers, newspaper. And then on the back, you can see the butterfly border down there. And then we have this. I'm going to turn it over. And here we have another. So this kind of distressed look is just very typical of the company. Now, into the laser cuts. As I said, there are 32 of them. You can actually just see how they are just delicately cut. No edges are showing. I love the lace borders. That's really nice. And then here is the second sheet, and just absolutely stunning. Okay, so that is our 12 by 12. I don't think I mentioned it. There were 6 double-sided papers, and then you also have the back of the insert, so that goes for you. Now, let's get into the 6 by 6. And let me show you all of the pieces that are there. So there's the package. So let me show you all of them. You're going to get 3 each of what I'm showing you. Also, they are double-sided. So it's the same artwork that you just saw. It's just in a reduced version. Okay, so as I said, you're going to get 3 of every single one of these, including these 2 that are set to do cutouts. And in total, there are going to be 63 of them. So you see, you do get that lace. You just need to trim it out. You can see the flowers, the file tabs, all of that. Just really gorgeous. And those are also double-sided too. And so this is the 6 by 6 collection. Now, in addition, there is washi tape. And the way 49 Market does is that they put 7 different designs on each sheet of acetate, and you get 2 sheets. So you get 14 strips. They are a little over 7 inches long, so that's going to work really, really nicely. And I love the artwork. It's just beautiful. Now, in addition, this time, there are also some rub-ons. We'll back up just a smidge just so you can see them. There are 3 sheets in this package. They're all different, and you do have this very special applicator tool, but you can kind of see the artwork that's there. And there's the next set. And the third one. Same idea, they're keeping with the neutral tone, just some pops of color, mostly in the greens and the golds and the yellows. Just really beautiful. And if you have used rub-ons before, you know you just cut out the area you want to use, place it onto your paper, rub it with that tool, and then peel off the top, and it just transfers beautifully. So from our friends at 49 and Market, we just love what they've done for their everyday collection, and I think we'll find use for it every single day.